The saltwater crocodile, Crocodilus porosus, is a crocodilian native to saltwater habitats and brackish wetlands from India's east coast across Southeast Asia and the Sundaic region to northern Australia and Micronesia. It has been listed as least concern on the IUCN Red List since 1996. It was hunted for its skin throughout its range up to the 1970s, and is threatened by illegal killing and habitat loss. It is regarded as dangerous to humans. A large and opportunistic hypercarnivorous apex predator, they ambush most of their prey and then drown or swallow it whole. They are capable of prevailing over almost any animal that enters their territory, including other predators such as sharks, varieties of freshwater and saltwater fish including pelagic species, invertebrates such as crustaceans, various amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals, including humans. Young saltwater crocodiles are pale yellow in color with black stripes and spots on their bodies and tails. This coloration lasts for several years until the crocodiles mature into adults. The color as an adult is much darker greenish drab, with a few lighter tan or gray areas sometimes apparent. Several color variations are known and some adults may retain fairly pale skin, whereas others may be so dark as to appear blackish. The ventral surface is white or yellow in color in saltwater crocodiles of all ages. The primary behavior to distinguish the saltwater crocodile from other crocodiles is its tendency to occupy salt water, though other crocodiles also have salt glands that enable them to survive in salt water, a trait that alligators do not possess. Most other species do not venture out to sea except during extreme conditions. Saltwater crocodiles are more territorial and are less tolerant of their own kind. Adult males will share territory with females, but drive off rival males. Saltwater crocodiles mate in the wet season, laying eggs in a nest consisting of a mound of mud and vegetation. The female guards the nest and clings from predators, generally very lethargic, a trait that helps it survive months at a time without food. The saltwater crocodile will usually loiter in the water or bask in the sun during much of the day, preferring to hunt at night. A study of seasonal saltwater crocodile behavior in Australia indicated that they are more active and more likely to spend time in the water during the Australian summer. Conversely, they are less active and spend relatively more time basking in the sun during the winter. Of all the crocodilians, the saltwater crocodile and Nile crocodile have the strongest tendencies to treat humans as prey. The saltwater crocodile has a long history of attacking humans who unknowingly venture into its territory. As a result of its power, intimidating size and speed, survival of a direct predatory attack is unlikely if the crocodile is able to make direct contact. In contrast to alligators where a degree of coexistence may be the policy, the only recommended policy for dealing with saltwater crocodiles is to completely avoid their habitat whenever possible, as they are exceedingly aggressive when encroached upon. No swimming sign used by Parks and Wildlife Commission of the Northern Territory. Exact data on attacks are limited outside Australia, where 1 or 2 fatal attacks are reported per year. 161. From 1971 to 2013, the total number of fatalities reported in Australia due to saltwater crocodile attack was 106. The low level of attacks may be due to extensive efforts by wildlife officials in Australia to post crocodile warning signs at numerous at-risk billabongs, rivers, lakes and beaches.